We use a range of strategies that are customized to meet the unique client's need and objective. So we first start asking the client what is their goals, if it's sales growth or improved profitability. Usually the client desires both at the same times, but answering this question is really important to identify the right strategy to pursue short term and prioritize our effort according to the client objective. When it comes to build a marketing strategy, of course, having a full funnel approach is really important. But what I have learned in during my Amazon experience working with Amazon is that what really makes a difference in your profitability is the combination with SEO strategy and advertising. So what I mean with this? I mean that when a customer browse on Amazon, he's already looking for a product to purchase. So our effort is not on creating a demand, but is to show them the best product to satisfy their needs. So by identifying potential keywords that are relevant both for SEO and advertising, we are able to create a consistency between the promote product and the main feature of the product itself. So this using advertising to improve organic rank can make a huge impact on your profitability long term. It's really important to have a well-structured account with a diversified portfolio and create a mix of promote product with a good balance and avoid relying only on few products that generate the majority of overall revenue. What I mean? I mean that when you plan your advertising investment, you should not only consider to invest on bestseller only, but you should also include niche product that may have lower traffic but drive higher margin. To make you an example, one of our clients' objective this year is to increase sales by 35% compared to 2022 at a stable ACOS. So the top selling products are already well positioned in the market, and we are already ranking first for the most relevant keyword. So to achieve this growth, we start from SEO, finding those searches with low and medium traffic, where our clients' products are already on page 1 but are not ranking in the top position. So we push the organic growth using advertising, and we are now dominating those searches. So we are able to bring extra profit at a relatively low effort. And in this process, Pacvue was a great partner because we all know that managing many accounts can be challenging sometimes. So have a centralized platform with all the information there, and it helped me a lot to analyze performance, discover new searches, and also I like the suggestion provided by the tool, and this make me easier identify areas where I could improve performance. So thank you.